Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. Today I just want to show you what I've done last week, getting closer. This is probably the hardest process of this whole engine rebuild, is cleaning this properly. It's very hard to clean. Cleaning is probably the hardest thing to actually do to get this like a mirror finish. So if you look closely, all that's done. This little marks here, I just put it there, so that means I'm gonna double check it later later on and put a little bit more cleaning on that part there. But this crankcase is done. This side's done. This side here is done as well. The crankcase on this side here. So usually when you feel it with your finger, it just feels like a mirror finish. That's what you want, because once you seal, this is gonna come off later, and we're gonna actually check the two halves. Clean the two halves as well, and the bearings are off. All the heads, the camshaft tower, all clean as well. As you can see, it's really hard to clean, but look at it. I should have done a video the first time before we clean it, but look at that, it's all done. This part here is done as well. I just got to actually clean it properly again. That's only like the hand marks from the actual outing, from the gloves when you're working. But look at it, if you wipe it off, it'll just come off. Look at that. We use this P800. It's not much there. It's like very tiny thin layer of lineage paper. I don't use anything else but that, or even it takes longer to do the job. But look at the finish you get out of it. Alright, you're not actually damaging anything by using the coarse paper, sandpaper. Okay, so I have stripped down the actual, starting today, yesterday I think. I took the conrods out. If you look at that, the conrod's pretty bad. The actual bearing's pretty burned on this car here. So I'm looking at the actual there's no damage or hit marks on the actual crankshaft so far. I've taken two off, so I'm just taking the rest off today. I'm going to get some measurements on the journals. This is the weight class of the actual conrods. Alright, if I need one or two, I'll get a new one, but depending on how I go. It was only this one here was the one that actually you can't spin. It was a bit of was like that. The rest was all like this, easy. Just that one there wasn't spinning freely. Alright, so that's why you can tell. So lucky no damage on that. So coming from here, the guy from the head, please contact me. It's gonna be the head's gonna be ready this week. So I want to finish this off this week. Hopefully I can put this on here this week and actually bolt it on and clean it up, and then put the actual Loctite sealant in there and seal it up, so we can start the rebuild. Alright, once that goes on, then you start putting those pipes on. I'm getting some new ones as well. This is too old. Getting new ones as well. So some new hoses. I'm getting a new one of these as well, but they're all rusted. See here, holes there. And then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.